So this is pork. It look like lamb, but it's pork. And these are the seasoning that I use. Everything is in this. I'll put a link where you guys can get this to buy. It's on Amazon also, and straight from Jamaica. So all the herbs and spices are natural in there. This one now, this is the after effect. You open this, your whole house become jerk. It's a good smell. You can't stop smelling it. It's like food, you just want to eat it up, but spicy. So take your time with it. All of these other seasoning, natural, curry, seasoned to the bone. Trust me. All purpose, all natural seasoning. Straight from Jamaica. So this is what we're promoting. Pork right here. This is it.